Hey everyone, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Kevin.
And we're the Married Mixologists.
Yes, we are.
Thank you, Brandon and Jenna, for this suggestion. And thank you, Alex at Young's Market. This Fernet shot is for you.
Cheers. Today we're going to teach you a classic, a staple, something any home bartender should know how to make. An old-fashioned. Well, hello. I didn't see you there. What's that? Old fashions? Please don't tell me you're muddling! Old fashions have a rich history. They date back to pre-prohibition. Before the prohibition, old fashions were made with just sugar, whiskey, bitters, and garnished with whatever fruit you could find. After the prohibition, when alcohol was scarce and people were drinking wood alcohol and bathtub gin, they had to mask the flavor by putting in tons of sugar and muddling fruit in. If you don't live in the Prohibition era, and now that you have access to good alcohol, do not muddle! Let me show you a proper way to make an old-fashioned. An old-fashioned should always be stirred, never shaken. Old-fashions traditionally were made with rye whiskey, so we're going to start off with some Old Forester 100 proof rye, so it real cuts to the grain. We're making 2, so we're going to use 4 ounces.
2 ounces for 1.
Next up, we're going to be using Angostura and orange bitters. 2 dashes of each. Just a little bit of simple syrup, about a ½ ounce per. Now we're just going to stir it about 30 seconds. Now that we've stirred that thoroughly, find yourself some nice big honkin' ice cubes. Just regular ones if that's all you have. Next we're going to express some orange oil over the top. It's really going to add to a lot of aromatic value to your cocktail. Smells like a grove. Now for the cherry. Hopefully you didn't think we were going to muddle it in. Definitely not. Now let that cherry soak in the booze till the end of the drink. No dessert first. Cheers.
Enjoy.
And enjoy.